Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick spotlight video looking at the newest safety razor from Germany, the Dovo Primo. So many of you may or may not know, about a year and a half, 2 years ago from the time of today's filming, Dovo actually underwent an ownership change, and it's been the first time in decades since that happened. And with that change came kind of a whole revamping of their lineup. Dovo and Merkur used to be tied at the hip and actually used to be one conglomerate, and that connection has been severed. And now Dovo is on its own and Merkur is on its own. The new ownership of Dovo, grabbing this over 100-year-old German brand, wanted to really kind of do some new things, and in doing that they wanted to bring a new product to spot, and that was the safety razors. So people always knew the Merkur safety razors, and those have been a classic for decades and decades, but Dovo wanted to make its own mark, so they made the Primo razors. These are supposed to be a all German made offering. Even the packaging's made in Germany, and they have two different razor handles to choose from on these safety razors. I think they're the exact same head. Really handsome packaging, very distinct with this kind of neon yellow color, but it really does pop, especially in contrast with this blue. And inside, it's nice paper packaging. They've got some directions. Looks like they got a pack of German-made Dovo safety razor blades. And then we have the razor itself here. And we can just quickly kind of try to take this out and experience what a customer would experience taking this out. Okay, got that. So, nice long safety razor. That's definitely been the trend of getting longer lengths. I think guys coming over from the cartridge world find it more, suitable, more something they're familiar with. And they have two different handle patterns. This has more of the fine knurl, fine diamond knurl. So very, very faint. I won't even say it's something that you would really feel. You'd have to use like your fingertip to really feel it. But it's all been chrome plated. And as far as I know, these are cast zinc alloy parts. And again, made in Germany. 3-piece design, so real simple to take apart. And Dovo has said that they did dozens and dozens of prototypes. I do notice the first thing is a real long stem there. That's cool. I think these two parts will be cast zinc alloy, chrome plated, and I can already tell looking down in here this is brass, which is again why it has some good heft. Brass handle, chrome plated. And that's actually good because then the brass threads on the insert won't hopefully corrode away over time. I would always still recommend keeping zinc alloy dry and making sure it's dry. That's one of the faults. We'll open up the other one real quick. Same thing, same packaging. Just kind of compare and contrast the two different knurl patterns here. So this one definitely with the more tight kind of finer knurl, you definitely can feel it more. I would say it's maybe a little bit less likely to slip, but I would actually call this engraving. I wouldn't even really call this knurl. When I think of knurl, I think of something chunky that you can really feel on the outside. I'm sure it's done with the knurling machine, but it's more of a fine texture that just helps to probably with slipping. But they both are very handsome. Both have the same shave head, solid guard. Yeah, I look forward to trying one of these out. I'm sure that they're trying to go for that Goldilocks feel from their offering. Not too aggressive, not too mild, and I'm sure it'll deliver on that. We'll have to do another shave review video looking at these. But I just wanted to take a quick moment to do a spotlight talking about the Dovo Primo. Now, I know a little Spanish, and primo to me means a cousin. Maybe they're meaning premium, like a premium offering. So that's really cool. Very good stuff. It pays to look well, says Dovo. That's all I got. We'll do a shave review video soon looking at the Dovo Primo safety razors. New, made in Germany, 3-piece safety razors from Dovo. Thanks so much for checking out today's video. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.